Hi, this is Prasad Naidu. Today we are discussing about the cardiac biomarkers. So coming to the cardiac biomarker is a major step here. So that biomarkers, how it relates about the biological concept like biochemistry, how it relates about the cardiac like cardiovascular disease. So the coronary artery disease like coronary like vascular disease like CVD, coronary vascular disease is the world leading cause of mortality. So accounting for nearly half-life of all deaths in the Western world. Biochemical markers of cardiac injury play an essential role of the diagnosis, prognosis, monitoring risks like stratification of suspected heart attack patients. Have we become a central part of the therapeutic interventional guidelines for clinicians. Moreover, recently point of care testing for the cardiac markers has been derived by the time critical clinical need for immediate cardiac markers testing to provide the timely for patients risk and stratification like experts and appropriate treatment and improve the outcomes. So acute coronary syndrome, ACS, acute coronary syndrome. The vast array of clinical symptoms evident after the coronary plaque disruptions are often cumulative referred to as ACS, acute coronary syndrome. Initially, ruptures of unstable coronary plaques result in the intracoronary thrombus, where the thrombus blood clot leads to a reduction in blood flow, like cardiac ischemia, thereby restricting the supply of oxygen to the myocardium. The continuum of the myocardial ischemia is as acute coronary syndrome, which ranges from the unstable angina associated with the reversible myocardial injury to myocardial ischemia with large areas of irreversible damage, cardiac necrosis. How it relates means cardiac biomarker like biochemistry. Coming to biochemical aspects, that it defines a biological analytes that are detectable in the blood stream at elevated levels of during the continuous of cardiovascular disease like coronary vascular disease or the immediate after the month of myocardial damage. So ideally ideal cardiac biomarkers should be highly specific for the cardiac tissues and absent from the non-myocardial tissues and needed to be absolutely easily and accessibly to achieve the high diagnostic sensitivity. Hence, smaller soluble molecules with the faster release and the nets and rapid clearance from the injured tissues are regarded as the most suitable biomarker for the early diagnosis. However, in the case of late diagnosis, a highly stable biomarker with a long plasma half-life is essential. Consequently, peak levels of should be reached relevantly quickly, persist and circulation for a few hours, as in the case with the cardiac troponin I, troponin T, so the two cardiac biomarkers. A rapid clearance of the biomarkers forms plasma is a crucial feature of the biomarkers of recurrent injury. It should also have the ability to differentiate between the reversible ischemia, irreversible necrosis damage. Crucially, it must have the ability to the influence of therapy. So how it regulates means myocardial necrosis markers like clinical signs and symptoms of ECG. One is myoglobin and creatinine MB like CK02 and CK-NAC and cardiac troponin T and cardiac troponin I. These are the 5 markers. So coming to the myoglobin point care test available, molecular weight is 18,000. Advantage of high sensitivity in NPU useful for electrolyte electrolyte detection early detection. Myocardial infarction is reperfusions. So disadvantage is low specificity and presence a skeletal muscle injury with and also with the renal insufficiency. Rapid clearance after the necrosis. So during the elevations is 12 to 14 hours, 24 hours. Some sensitivity means 90% of specificity is 86%. Negative predictive value is 96%. Coming to the creatinine MB creatinine 2 to 500 nanograms per milliliters. The point of care test is available. Molecular weight is 85,000. Cardiac specific and advantage is the ability. Coming to advantage is ability to detect the re-infractions, large clinical experience, and previous gold standard for myocardial necrosis. And disadvantage is lowered specificity in skeletal muscle injury and duration of the elevator of 24 to 36 hours. Diagnostic preference of two serial values above 99th percentile control the reference populations in the setting of the ischemia is a benchmark for the myocardial necrosis. So some CK-NAC like cardiac specific is a measures of isoform specific like specificity more than CK. Gold standard test is for myocardial necrosis. Point of care test is not available. So how cardiac troponin troponin is the T here. We're talking about troponin, cardiac troponin T is a point care test is available. Molecular weight is 37%. Cardiac is specific. And coming to the advantages, the tool for risk of stratification, the detection of myocardial infarction up to 2 weeks, highly specified for good for it is cardiac tissues for gold standard. Disadvantage is not any early markers myocardial necrosis and limited ability to detect the re-infractional and duration is elevation of 10 to 14 days. SA is range may be 0.1 to normal range to cardiac troponin I plant care like this point care test available. Molecular weight is 23,000 like it is called cardiac specific and advantage is tool for risk for statistics and detection of myocardial infraction like up to 7 days, highly specific for the cardiac tissues and disadvantage is not an early marker and myocardial necrosis and analytical and reference standard and limited ability to detect the re-infraction. So duration is 4 to 7 days and SA range is 0.2 to 50 nanograms per mole. So that relations about these are the markers about heart. Somehow coming to the markers of heart failures like echocardiogram gold standard, arterial like natriuretic product and B type of brain and natriuretic peptide, brain natriuretic peptide, arterial natriuretic peptide, that means ANP, BNP, arterial natriuretic peptide and brain natriuretic peptide and N-terminal pro-B type of natriuretic peptide, that NT-pro-B. So B-type natriuretic peptide is 32 amino acids polypeptide and functional is acid cardiac hormones and secreted from the cardiac functional and emergency measures and agonist from the ventricular overload and pursue value expression. Thank you.